Hey, it's Angelo's Edge. Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Gonna do a little unboxing of a K-bar knife. It's not the classic marine straight edge, or not straight edge Bowie knife, but they have this series of folder knives out. So I picked one up. It was on sale on Amazon for $19. So I'm gonna open it up and take a look at it. I already opened it up and oiled a little bit. So all right. Comes in a plastic bag. The box is pretty nice, you know. Get you some warranty, limited lifetime warranty, blah 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 blah, and that stuff. Okay, so here's the knife. Here's the knife. All right. So it's I can't pronounce. It's a Jared. I believe his name is I can't pronounce his name. It's a knife maker for K-bar. You could read his name. I don't want to screw it up too bad. Jarosz. He makes knives, and this is one of his knives he makes for K-bar. So let's take a look at it. Get a close up, like I said, I like looking close up so you could see. Go. There's the show size. It says K-bar on it. Flip it over. It's G10. It has actually a 4-way pocket clip. You can move the pocket clip 4 different ways: left, right, up, down, tip down, carry. So that's cool. Has his emblem on there. It looks like and it's kind of cool looking emblem. Almost looks like a eagle, or I don't know, like a wings. Is on the side too. It's his logo. Let's finish. So it has nylon washers, and not quite drop shut, but it's easily flick out. No problem with coming out. One-handed flick. Not quite drop. I put a little oil, seeing if I could get it to drop shut. It might actually eventually drop shut. But I actually like the clip. Like the way it looks. I like his logo. Has dual thumb studs both sides. Has jimping right here for your thumb. Feels really good in the hand. It is, I believe, I'll look at the specs, but it's 3.5 inch blade. Like I said, this is stainless bolsters. It's not quite brushed stainless. Everything looks really good. It's just it's a made in China knife, though. But I think K-bar might. There must be standards, because it seems like this is put together pretty nice. There's nothing really. There's no rough finishes on it or anything. It's just a really nice knife. Let's do a size. Let's see. Let's take a measurement. Here's a measurement. We got it at, it's about 8¼ inches. Blade, I think I mentioned, is probably about 3.5 inch blade. Cutting on it's probably 3¼ It's got I like the color of it. Has like a back spacer right there. It don't have a glass breaker, but this thing kind of protrudes almost a little bit. So I guess almost like if you're in a pinch, this is metal, not plastic. So I think you could bust a window if you had to. It's at a point. So I think you could sit there and hammer it. It just protrudes just out, just a little bit. It don't say anything about breaking glass, but I bet if you, and it feels like you could whack it and it'd break a window. And it flips open pretty good. Alright, let's take a look at size comparisons. Here's a Tenacious, Spyderco Tenacious, and this one's a little longer than the Tenacious. The handle's a little longer. And how about the CRKT M16 3KS. So it's, here we go. Very similar length and size to the M16, but this is slightly bigger. It's got the blade is a good inch in thickness. Not quite as much as the Spyderco, but that's an inch and a quarter. But it's this actually for some reason reminds me of a buck knife. I'm gonna check something out, show you guys something. Go here, and I don't know why it does. This reminds me of this buck knife, and I don't know, just me. But I got here some specs on Amazon. I bought it for $19.94. It was on sale, saved $5 on Amazon. It was regularly $25.43. Let's see if they have any interesting specs. Nothing really. It's just overall length 8.25, 3-point drop point. See, they consider it a drop point, but I almost consider it more of a clip point. And then, speaking of which, if you go to Blade HQ, they actually have it a little cheaper. They have it $18.95, and they call it a clip point. And here's the negative. Probably the negative. Remember, it's under $20 knife. It has blade materials 5CR15, so it probably won't hold an edge as long as like some more expensive steels. But the knife quality is really nice. I mean, you are getting under $20. Everything else is really seems to be well made. But the negative I could see is the 5CR15. I've never had a 5CR15 blade, so I don't know. We'll have to see how it sharpens. It has a hollow grind, and I would tend to agree with that. That looks like a hollow grind. Let me pop out of here, back to the other camera. So, but yeah, so I would tend to agree it's a hollow grind on it. See, and here's the lockup is right in the middle, but it's I don't think it's too far because it has it has a really nice spot so you can get your thumb in there with jimping there too, so you could really easily it shuts real nice one-handed, and like I said, not quite drop shut, so you could flick it open real easy. Let's see where we're at. We're at 7 minutes. Wow, that's pretty good. Maybe we'll get a video under 10 minutes. Alright, let me look over it one more time. Let's see, I already counted. Let's get a close-up of it. Let's do real quick one last close-up of it. If you guys are still watching, remember to like my videos. It helps out. Go, and flip it over. Like I said, I oiled it so you can see the little oil remnants. Actually, like I said, it's has the nylon washers, and it's nice. I like that pocket clip. It don't have no. It just has his logo, and it's a nice knife for 10 or $19. I think you could buy a lot more expensive knives for, and get a lot less. But the negative is going to be has a 5CR still, so people are going to harp on that. But if you know how to sharpen knives, it probably ain't that big of a deal to you, because I like to sharpen. I like kind of sharpen just for fun, so it gives me an excuse to sharpen a knife. All right, if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Bye.